Hey guys, it's your girl Leann Alicia and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new, subscribe. If you're old, you're... And today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I got this sunset purple cut crease eyeshadow look. If you want to learn how to do this look, just keep watching. Alright, so boom. I already primed my eyelids with my Born This Way concealer. And now I'm going to take my Covergirl's translucent powder and press that on so that I can set the concealer. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Zulu palette and I'm going to take that yellow shade and I'm going to put that as my transition shade. Okay, so next I'm going to take my Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place and I'm going to take that brownish orange shade and I'm going to put that right where I put the yellow, just a little bit lower. And I'm going to blend that all over the eyelid like how I did with the yellow. Alright, so I'm going right back into my Zulu palette and I'm going to take that orange shade and I'm going to put that right above the brown because the brown kind of looked too brown and I want it to be orange. Then I'm going to go right back into my Masquerade palette. I'm going to take that kind of magenta pink purple shade and I'm going to put that where the crease would be. Now, even though I put the magenta there, I'm going to take my other brushes that I used previously, not putting any more product, and I'm going to just kind of blend that out so it doesn't look too harsh on my eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to go right back into my Zulu palette. Couldn't get it open. And I'm going to take that purple shade and I'm going to put that right where I put the magenta shade, just a little bit lower, just to build up on that crease.
Beats by Dim's Rhythm, beatmaker of Reunion Island, baby.
Now I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to go into that dark blue shade and I'm just going to put that on the outer corners of my eyes to build up more in the crease. Then I'm going to kind of swoosh it into the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend all of that out, not using any more product on those brushes. Okay, so next I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Classic Ivory, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Going back into my Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to go into that peachish color and I'm going to put that at the beginning of my eyelids. And then back into that Morphe palette, I'm going to use a darker peach color. It's like a pinkish, and I'm going to use that for the rest of my eyelid. Then after, I'm going to go right back into that Morphe 35B palette and take that pink color that looks more like magenta, and I'm going to use that to transition from the dark blue mixed with the purple into the peach, so that it gives it like a gradient on my eyelids instead of it being just harsh transitions. As you can see, I'm just blending everything out. I'm blending everything in so that it doesn't look like it's just patted onto my eyelid. Okay, so as you can see, I did my lashes and my eyeliner off camera because that is probably the most hardest and embarrassing thing to do on camera. So next I'm going to be taking my face primer and priming my face. I don't remember what it's called. I'll put the link of what the name is in the comment sections below. I don't remember what I was singing there, but now I'm going to be taking two different color foundations. I'm going to be taking my Covergirl True Matte Blend foundation in the color D90 and D70, and then I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. Next, I'm going to be taking my Beauty Blender because I love it so much, and I'm going to blend out my foundation even more. I feel like the brush just blends it out without using up so much product, and then the Beauty Blender gets it to look softer around the edges of my eyeshadow and my concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my Born This Way concealer to highlight my face. So I'm going to do my cheeks, my forehead, above my lip, my chin, and the bridge of my nose.
Beats by Dim's Really. Beat maker of Reunion Island, baby.
I know at first when I start blending this out, it looks crazy, and then after a while, I start to work it in because nobody wants to have flashback, basically. So right here, I'm just taking a darker foundation, and I'm gonna use that as my contour, as my fake contour, and just blend that out with my Beauty Blender. Alright, so next I'm going to be taking my black Opal finishing powder, and I'm going to use that to set that concealer that I just blended so it don't go nowhere. So because I don't want to touch my face while I pull down my eye, I'm going to use my brush to put the NYX Jumbo Milk Pencil at the bottom of my eye to line the bottom of my eye, basically to line my waterline. Then next, I'm going to use the sequence of the eyeshadows that I used at top of my eye, on my eyelids, at the bottom of my eye, but I'm going to go in reverse sequence. So I'm going to put the dark purple, then I'm going to put the lighter purple, then I'm going to put the magenta-ish, pinkish color, then I'm going to put the orange, and then the yellow. I didn't put the brown because the brown would have showed up too much as skin color, so yeah. And then I just blend that out with a brush that has a little bit of finishing powder on it so that it doesn't look too much. So now I'm going to use my Sephora Golden Eyeshadow as highlight. Girl, that she robbing. Oh, And next, I'm going to take my Sephora Brown eyeshadow and I'm going to use that as contour on my face. Next, get your favorite lippy that you feel like could go with this look. I usually use my nudish pinkish lippy and I just line my lips. Alright girl, now it's time to put on your wig. Okay? This hair that I have, it is from Lucky Queen hair. I've actually had this hair from March 2018 till now. So if you do want the link for this, all you got to do is just ask in the comment section. I'll drop it for you. So yeah, now I'm done. Alright guys, this is the final look. I am done, finally. As you can see, my highlight is popping. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up if you like the video. Thumbs up if you don't like the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye.